Well, I am certainly taking my sweet time on that whole Voron thing. So I thought I might show you a toy I got in the mail. So the Voron is made out of something called Makerbeam, which is one of the many industrial, literal industrial Lego used for setting up little test sets and stuff. Sometimes for whole products, as we all know on the Ender series and the Sane Smarts and the whatevers. But to encourage people to build stuff for this sort of thing, they often send out little parts kits. For $10, I thought this would be fun to play with. So this comes with an angle bracket, two kinds of angle brackets, a bunch of drop-in screws that will hold their position, a bunch of nuts to work with those screws. Oh, wow. That's a high quality little card right there. Look at the shine on that. That's 50 cents of the package right there. I will honestly say that the rest of this stuff is pretty expensive. Oh, well, there's your idea. I'll post a link to what I bought in the description. Let's dig in here. Let's see what we got. We got a screwdriver. Let's get something sharp here. A Makerbeam Hex Nut Driver. I think it's 7mm or something. And it's solid. It's good stuff. I mean, I'm not expecting this to be bad because these parts are small and I paid a fair amount for them. It's okay. So it's a 5.5mm nut driver. If you're into RC cars, it's work for you there. We got 3 lengths of Makerbeam in 2 different colors. Is that the same size? Huh. I thought this was the same size as on my Voron. I don't think it is. Well, either way, this is still worth taking a look at. Makerbeam is always pre-tapped. Hard to see in the glare, but there you go. 3 pieces. Got 100mm, 40mm, and 60mm. And then we got some of the fancy kit-specific parts. We get a drop-in nut. 1, 2. Alright, 1 round head nut. I see what that's for. Bunch of angled head nuts. See what those go for. Or angled head screws. Wow. If I can't tell the difference between a nut and a screw at this point, I've been doing the wrong thing. And some of the bits and pieces. Oh. Alright, so this is interesting. Okay, well that's a little rubber foot that goes on the end of one of these. Probably so you don't scratch your desktop or something. Let's assemble 1 or 2 of these things and we'll call it done. How does this work? Okay, this is a corner block. And it looks like it lets you attach things from 3 directions. Sadly, I don't think any of these are set up for blind attachments, which is sad because that's how most of the Voron is set up. Screw in. There you go. Let's go another way here. Oh, that's a very serious connection there. Cool. Shall we try a drop-in nut? Oh, there we go. And a drop-in screw. Some of the square heads so it won't rotate. This will take the 90-degree corner, I believe. These are all really short. These are like 4mm, 5mm threads. 5mm worth of thread. It's all M3 hardware. There's no real reason to ever do a joint like this. It's just messing around here. And we have a nut to go with the nut driver. That worked. Cool. And let's try this one. I have no idea what you'd actually build with this, given what they've given you. But I am still amused. I bought this in general kind of as a desk fidget toy. Oh! The angles are labeled? Sadly, my geometry is failing me right now, so I can't actually read that. Like 6 rad or something? That doesn't seem right. I assure you I have no plan here other than will it fit? It does. I am quite amused here. By the way, this stuff can also go in like, you can attach it 90 degrees to each other. At this point, I'm building a thing for my desk. Oh, it's got the spacing right for the corner. So this is set up to build triangles for you. That's a 60-degree angle right there. Come on, get on there. So, I paid $10 for a reasonable quality nut driver, Allen key, a bunch of these little bits. I think it did okay. At least for messing around stuff. Come on, get on there. Get on there. Now the ends are real sharp, so I'm worried about cutting myself putting the foot on. There we go. We built the thing. All right. I am pleased. If I had to build little things for little prototypes, I think this might be a thing to work with. I like it. Makerbeam. You can get it lots of places. I got this out of Amazon. This is their little prototyping kit, or their sample kit. All right, have a good one. Bye-bye.